Everybody, today I'm going to do a tutorial on the thumb rollover shortstop. Goes like that. Just to get some things clear, people have probably done this and done tutorials over it. I don't know. I just kind of learned this myself. But this is a trick that that includes a short thumb roll. God damn it! That includes a thumb rollover and the shortstop. That is not. I have trouble doing the shortstop, just like the normal one. I guess like that. But it includes those tricks, and you combine them. So let's get right into it. So you're going to start off holding the bite handle, which is the one with the blade. If you swing up, it'll cut you. With your thumb and index, pinch it like that, kind of like a pen, as some people say. Then with the momentum, then swing it around your thumb with force, and let the momentum carry it, like so. Now you should probably learn this before you come to this tutorial, but I'll give a quick explanation. With thrust it over your thumb, just like that, and your thumb should not move. Your thumb should stay in place. If it does move, then it's hard to catch it. So your thumb should not move. Stay in the position. Throw it over, thrust, catch with your index and thumb. Like that. Index should be under the blade. This is the safe handle, so the blade should not cut you. And your thumb should be on the safe handle too. So again, thrust over, leave your index and thumb there. Now once you're done this, and you're in that kind of Chaplin position, you're going to want to throw over your thumb in a backwards towards you motion. So here I am, and you're going to want to thrust towards yourself. So thumb, catch, like so, then throw towards yourself. Thumb, throw towards yourself, catch with your thumb and middle finger. Not with your index, with your middle finger. So after you're doing this and you're throwing over, replace your index as you're rolling it. Replace your index with your middle finger, like so. So then you're going to catch it with your thumb and middle finger. Oh, sorry. Throw over your thumb, back, and replace your index with your ring finger. I mean, with your middle finger, I'm sorry. And then what you also want to replace is your thumb with your ring finger. So you're probably you might catch like this, but you want to do this really quick. Replace your index with your middle finger and your thumb with your ring finger. And you want to hold it like that. Let's go over it one more time. Throw it over your thumb, thrust towards yourself. Oh my god. Throw it over your thumb, thrust towards yourself, catch it with your middle and thumb, and replace with your ring finger. This is going to take a lot of practice. I know it took a long time for me to learn it, and as you can see, I still barely know it, but that's what you want to do. And then after that, you're going to be holding onto the bite handle, so you want to be careful here, and you're going to thrust towards yourself again. So, so just what you did before, when you did it towards yourself like that, you're going to want to do it again. But instead of letting, if there's a real blade, it would have cut you here. But instead of letting the blade touch your finger, you're going to want to use your thumb and your index finger like so. And you're going to kind of want to guide with your fingers. You replace your ring finger with your index like this, so you have it in the grip. Throw it up, catch the handle with your thumb, replace your ring finger with your index, then use the momentum to push up and catch. Let's go over it one more time. Over your thumb, catch with your thumb and index. Toward yourself, again, catch with your middle finger and thumb, replace with your ring finger, throw it toward yourself, but catch it in midair, like that. With your thumb, replace your ring finger with your index, push up, use the momentum, and you have it like that. Should look like this in the end. If they don't fuck up. That wasn't too bad. But that is the trick. And you can use that in many combos. I'll show you one. This is behind the 8-ball into shortstop. Thank you for watching. If you want another tutorial, totally ask me and I will definitely do one more. Give me some suggestions that aren't too hard. I can do many intermediate tricks, not too many advanced. I could do the throw, but I can do many intermediate tricks if you want me to do that. But yeah, have a good day, and thank you for watching.